Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing next to Salvia farinacea, Henry Duelberg. Salvia farinacea is called the mealy cup sage, and farinacea means bearing farina, as in flower, and the little calyx and most of what we think of as flowers are the calyces, and there are the occasional actual flower sticking out of the calyx, is sort of mealy. That's why it gets its name of mealy cup sage. So it's the middle of May. It's probably been blooming for 6 weeks already, and it will bloom up until frost. You might think we've paid these bees to visit the flowers during this shooting, but all these bees are here voluntarily. And we have the big, what look like bumblebees, but are carpenter bees, and the adorable little bumblebees, and a number of other species visiting the flowers. So it's a showy plant for the garden, but also a phenomenal plant for supporting pollinators. It's not a salvia that hummingbirds paid too much attention to. They like the flowers of many other salvias more that have a longer tubular flower. But it's a herbaceous perennial. It dies to the ground in the winter, comes back each spring. Usually a good part of the winter it'll have basal shoots waiting for spring, so it doesn't completely disappear from the garden. There is only one Salvia farinacea that's common in the nursery trade, and that's a seed strain called Victoria. It's the only selection of Salvia farinacea that I have found to not be reliably winter hardy. It also seems to be a weak grower. This is robust. This is, the plant itself is close to 3 foot tall. The flower spikes are approaching 4 foot tall. Salvia farinacea never gets this big. There's also occasionally available a white form of it, but this is the typical color. Absolutely loves a sunny location, and it's also very drought tolerant. This is part of the garden that is rarely irrigated. It's only irrigated if we've gone for maybe 6 or 8 weeks without any rain at all, and then it just gets a light watering. So great plant. I wouldn't garden without it if I had a sunny garden. Salvia farinacea, Henry Duelberg, found in a cemetery in Texas. That's where the name came from. Great garden plant. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you again in the garden.